In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the affiliate link from any product on Amazon. So as you can see, I'm on the main page of Amazon and you can see a tool called SiteStripe above. If you go to Amazon and this tool is not showing, you have to sign in with your Amazon Associate account first. After you do that, you come back to the Amazon and search for any product you want. For example, I'll search for an AirPods. So after you go to the page of the product that you want to get the affiliate link of, just click the get link button. As you can see now, I have the link. To verify that it's working, go to your Amazon Associates account, then tools, link checker, then paste the link that we got and click check link. So as you can see, the link is valid and it's working, and if anyone buy from this link, I will get a commission from it. So this is how to get the affiliate link of any product on Amazon. And this is it guys, see you next time.